talk about a finesse. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm very excited about. Happy Sunday, because you know I upload every Wednesday and Sunday on this channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Since you just clicked on it, you might as well. And join the KandidKinks family. I'm just in a really good mood. Let me calm myself down. So today's video is one that I am happy to bring to you all. I feel like it's going to be very useful and very easy and very helpful for those of you guys that don't wear wigs maybe, or you don't like know what to do with your hair when you twist it and style it. So we're just gonna hop right in and just start the video. No need for long talking. So as you can see, my hair is in a low little bun, and in the bun are some braids. Now these, what is it, 3 braids on each side. So I showed you guys how I do my nighttime routine recently on YouTube. You can click the video that comes up on top of here, on top of me, and watch that next if you're interested in my nighttime routine. But these are my nighttime routine plaits. I just put them into a low little bun. And that's like the premise or the base of today's style. So all you're gonna need is either a hat, a scarf, a little head wrap thing, one of the above, one of those 3, and a drawstring ponytail. You can also use some tracks. You can also use a half wig. Just, you can finesse this many ways. Literally, all I do is I take my braids and I put them into a pony. I put the pony like right here at like the nape, I believe this is, of my neck. Well, nape is right here, but I put it like right above that. And I just put it into a nice pony, nice little bun, tuck away all of the ends like that, okay? If your hair is not as long as mine, or you have kind of like a TWA going on, you can flat twist your hair literally into like a little knot back here and just pin everything together. You can do so many different things to finesse this, but obviously I only have my length to work with in today's video. So next I'm going to grab my drawstring pony. This looks a little bit tired and like stressed out, because I be using it. We're gonna work on it. This is from Her Given Hair, but you can literally use any drawstring ponytail that you can pick up at the local beauty supply store, on Amazon, whatever the case is. I'm actually gonna do a different style later on this month or in April using a affordable drawstring ponytail. But this is human hair, and I've had this for like over a year now, maybe even more. And I just like, it has the combs and it has the drawstring aspect to it. Obviously it's a drawstring pony. And all I'm gonna do is put it right on the bun that I made with my braids. And I'm gonna draw it together with the pony. And like, this is literally the definition of a protective style in my opinion. Your ends are protected, it's covered up and out of sight, and just really safe and sound. So just put on your drawstring, tighten it, okay? And this is a very like quick and easy style, so you don't really have to, you know, do too much in terms of like perfection. I wrap the drawstring around and tuck it. Just a little tip, if you are really good at flat twisting or French braid, you can literally do your hair in 2 French braids or 2 flat twists and put it into this bun. No problem. I just simply don't have that skill, so I will leave that to y'all, okay? So then I'm gonna pull a little piece, or like a thicker piece, from the back of my drawstring ponytail, which is very dry and needs some water. We'll get there. And I'm just gonna wrap it around to cover any of my secrets, you know? I'm sure you guys have seen people put on drawstring ponytails before. I'm just following that basic method to help it blend just a little bit, even though my finesse is about to start, okay? So this is my favorite hat, okay? I use this hat because it's kind of like a neutral color. Whatever I put on, this can kind of go with it or not clash with it. So I grab my jeans hat. You can grab any freaking hat that you want. I want to get another hat for you guys, but my hats are all put away. Anyways, any hat will work, okay? I promise you. All you gotta do is put the hat on. These braids are kind of thick. Oh, Calling it easy struggling because my braids are so thick this time. Put the hat on, pull it down in the front. Hello. Hello. Can't nobody tell you anything. Can't nobody tell you nothing. Like, excuse me. So as far as you know, my hair is slick and swoop for the gods underneath my hat. Ponytail is flourishing. As far as you know, this is my real ponytail. Like, you don't have a clue. Hold on, let me give you a little back shot. So my kinky hair is showing a bit, but the ponytail is also kinky, so there really is no problem. Who gonna check you? Who gonna check me? So pause. This ponytail is looking quite the stiffest, okay? So I'm gonna get For My Kinks spray bottle, which is available in my shop, formykinks.com. Plug, 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 plug. I love this thing. It just has plain water in it. I'm a plain girl. I'm not plain, but I don't like to mix too much stuff because I know that this water will go with anything because it's just water. And I'm just gonna spray down the ponytail because she is stiff. I need to get some WD-40 for this chair. Remind me, y'all. Remind me to get some WD-40 for this chair. I actually have some under the cabinet, so I need to oil this chair down because that's not cute. That's not cute. So the ponytail is now sprayed down. So I just picked this up off my shelf, but you can literally grab, it's a ponytail. Like, you can put whatever leave-in that you want. This is the Eva NYC Rock a Wave Curl Cream. I mean, it's just a leave-in right now to me to make the ponytail look a little bit more alive. A few pumps of that. I'm just gonna run it through the ponytail just because it makes it look a lot better. And because this is human hair, it will definitely change shape and just look a little bit better if I apply moisture to it. Don't pull too hard because it's not your hair. Just, we don't want no problems, okay? This is supposed to be a 5-minute get ready and leave the house, not falling off in the car halfway to the event type of situation, okay? You can also put the ponytail through the hat hole if you want to. I've done that multiple times in the past. I just don't care to do that all the time because I'm gonna come home and take it right off. I don't sleep with it or like, leave it in my hair for too long. Literally, I come home and take it off. So you really don't have to put it through the hat hole. But if you want to like elevate the finesse, putting it through the hat hole is a nice touch. Trust me, okay? It's a nice touch if you want to like, level up the finesse. So this is like the finished situation that we have here. A nice ponytail, giving you bundles, okay? Giving you texture, okay? And giving you sporty spice, my favorite type of look. Jeans, sneaker, and a t-shirt, crop top. Spring is here. Like, I know we're in the house right now, but at one point we'll be out and we'll be able to say spring is here and hear the birds chirping and see the flowers on the trees. All right, before I go, I'm going to give you guys 2 other options if you don't wear hats, you don't have a hat, whatever the case is. Now, mind you, this is my first time doing any other option. I'm trying to wing it on site, so bear with me. Take my hat off, expose my secrets, okay? And my first thing I'm gonna use is this scarf, this head wrap. I will leave who it is, what company makes this head wrap in the description box. I don't remember top of my head right now. So, I could do it like this. Oh, this is a look. Hold on. This is a look already. Hold on. So I'm tying it into like tying a shoe. You tie like that little thing together. I'm horrible at explaining things, but I'm just tying a knot, right? Okay, loosely. Then I'm gonna put it over my head some more. And untie the knot. This is going bad. Hold on. Let me regroup. Lord, why is this going so bad? See, that's why I do the hat, because the hat you just put it on and you go. It's a look I could tell, but it's gonna take a little minute for me to get it together. Which is okay. If you don't want to put a hat on, I'm giving you options. I'm giving you choices. I'm giving you choices. Back at the top. Because you want the ponytail to show, right? You know what I could do? I got it. So I'm gonna put it, I have the scarf all bunched together, and I'm going to literally wrap it around itself. And I'm gonna make a knot. Ooh, I'm making a knot. This is gonna be cute. I could feel it in my spirit, y'all. Okay, you made your knot. You're gonna tuck it in. Don't break a nail because I already broke several. Lord. I feel adorable. So you can pick it up a little bit. So you have a little bit of your 5 head showing, a little bit of my 5 head showing, which I've embraced and I love, okay? And I'm giving you something that I've never given before, and I'm not mad at it. You can, I think it's a little bit too far down though, hold on. Do I like it pinned back a little bit like this? Or do I want it over the 5 head? I'm not sure. This side could use some finessing. This side looks way better. I think it's just a little bit of bunchy stuff happening up here. What do you guys think? I'm undecided between lifting this up a little bit and having my forehead out. I think I picked the forehead out. Embrace the 5 heads, you guys. You can't change it. It's okay to have, you know, voluptuous foreheads. It's okay. So anyways, I think I did something just now. I think I did something. I think that you guys are going to love this one. I truly do. I really do. Like, what's up? What's up? I know that we're in the house right now, but if you're on FaceTime with your boo, this is a quick and easy style. If you're gonna do a FaceTime call with your job, like, I need to quit this job and go be a model because look at me. Look at my scarf and my ponytail, like bundles. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I did this. So this is the second look that you can do with your drawstring pony and your wash day and or nighttime and or protective style plaits, okay, and or twists. Be creative. I know you got it in you. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I think that I really brought some heat. I brought you some looks. I brought you some ideas, okay? So let me know how you feel and let me know if you try it and send me pictures to my DMs. I think this is really a look. I'm really proud of myself. All right, I'm finna go and be bored in the house. Ooh, shoulder. Come on with the shoulders. All right, guys. I love you all, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know how you feel. If you made to the end of the video and you're not a part of the KandidKinks family, I really, truly don't understand the problem. Join the KandidKinks family, subscribe, click the bell. Yay! Stay safe. Stay safe, okay? I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.